You're a good-looking guy and an extremely beautiful lady, but sweaty armpits. They are not nice at all. So how do you avoid this? Of course, they're avoidable, and this is how. First off, you can get quality undershirts. It comes in a variety of sizes and colors. And of course, round necks and V-necks as well. Depending on what you're wearing, you can use the round neck. For instance, if you're wearing a t-shirt, you can use the round neck. If also it's a shirt you're wearing, you can use the V-neck, so it doesn't draw in what you're wearing. So that's the first one. And the second one, you can use padded undershirts. There's this type of undershirts which has a padding here which absorbs your sweat. So you can get some online. Just check Google online and make your orders. Again, very, very important. This one is actually the most critical. You need to wash your armpits as often as possible before you go to work, when you come home, and you also have to be cleanly shaven. And when you are putting on your clothes, or like when you are dressing up to go to work or wherever, you need to clean your armpits well. Because of the hustle and bustle, people are mostly in a hurry to leave home and go to work and the activities of the day. But you need to take time and clean your armpits really, really, really well. Dry your armpits really well. Otherwise, when you put on deodorant or whatever it is, it will bring sweats under your armpits, and you don't want that. That will actually stain your clothes and form sweat rings or sweat paths, which we don't want. It's very, very unattractive. It affects your confidence and you as a person, because imagine that you're talking, somebody just highlights that, hey, there are sweat rings in your armpits. It brings your vim down, and you don't want that. So yes, make sure you clean your armpits really well and shave them before you put on your clothes to go out. And very, very important, you have these anti-perspirant deodorants. Depending on your body type, this will either work for you or that. For me, the Sure actually works a lot. For you, it could be the Nivea. So if that works more with you, stick with that and use it. For me, it's the Sure actually, so that works very well with me. So that is what I use. But either way, they work in a similar manner. They tend to minimize the moisture in your armpits so that you stay fresh all day. So guys, stick with anti-perspirant deodorants. Yeah. And lastly but not the least, you need to wear breathable clothes, breathable and lighter clothes, so that even if you sweat more often, they are able to dry more quickly so that you can move on. So even with your shoes as well, wear breathable shoes so that you feel lighter and you're able to, when you perspire, the clothes will dry more quickly. So guys, this is what I have for you today. Just keep yourselves clean, keep yourselves fresh, and be more confident and enthusiastic about what you do. So I'll see you guys in the next video. But hey, don't forget to subscribe.